Hey everyone, welcome back. This is John from Friends with Your Benefits. In a previous video, we talked about the Upright Go S and we gave our product feedback. Today, we're actually going to unbox the Upright Necklace, which is an accessory to the Upright Go. And then we're gonna bring the lovely Jenica back to give us her product review and feedback on it. But first, we'll do the unboxing. So let's unbox the Upright Necklace. So there's a little tab on top. Looks like it's this green arrow. I'm gonna pull it. So now that we've pulled the tab, let's take a quick look at the box. So if we feel the box material, it's clearly not as strong as the Upright Go S box. And this is just something you'll probably want to discard. On the back, they have some interesting information. So this is definitely not made for children under 3 and potentially could cause a choking hazard. And the product actually contains some magnets. So if you have a pacemaker, it basically says that this product probably isn't for you. So let's open it up. And we see there's a black appearing to be a necklace here. So take a look at the necklace. There's clearly a USB port. I assume this is to connect the Upright Go S or Go 2 to it. And then on the opposite side, it looks like these are the magnets, and there they are. Pull them back and forth. Pretty cool so far. Go back to the box, see if there's anything else in it. Take a look, and it looks like we have some instructions here. And for the instructions, we got to rip the adhesive off the back of the Upright Go S, and then from there, it looks like we attach it to the Go S and put it on our neck. And in just a minute, we're going to bring back Jenica to try it on for us. So now that we've unboxed the Upright Necklace, the lovely Jenica here is going to show us how to actually use the necklace. So the first thing we do is we take our Upright Go S, we take that, we take the necklace, and we see there's a USB port, so we connect it together. And I did it the wrong way, so I'm going to flip it around, and there we go. And then going back to the magnets, they're pretty cool. So I'm going to hand this off to Jenica, and Jen's going to show us her review and feedback of the product.
Okay. So, all right. Pull it this way, go around, and click, which I really like because if you're not around, I don't need your help in connecting it. So, pull my hair out, place the gadget in the back, which is the Upright Go, and press the button.
So you're calibrated.
So I'm calibrating now. And now it's going to just sit. And if I slouch when I'm walking or sitting, I should be good to go.
Yeah, you feel vibration, yeah, and then you'll know, like, hey, you're out of alignment, right?
Right.
So how does it feel compared to the adhesive that was on the original Upright Go S?
So the adhesive kept getting stuck in my hair. I wasn't super keen on that one as much. And I don't like the fact that you can't just like stand up and walk around. It only helps when you're sitting down. This one's a lot easier. It's very lightweight, although it looks a little clunky, it's not. I would prefer it to be in like a gold or a rose gold, something that looks a little bit more decorative and fun, and you can kind of mix and match it with other shirts and outfits.
Right. But for a guy, the black definitely works. So Jenica, thank you very much for your feedback.
Oh, you're welcome.
As always, if you liked the video, we encourage you to like the video, share, ring that bell. Until next time, thanks for joining.